Yes, Roche. Yes, Nyamia. Oyawa weni. Bibiara so ne. What's your jelly son and Sandy for to redeem my yen? Yes, Nyamia oya on my knee. And to be Biara and some yet. And then Papa be brain alcohol. Motivation and inspiration was the brain alcohol. But Ghana forced to be brain I am decision. The brain out memorable. The brain out soon. Geometry say yes soon and Radia or your money. Now, I just said if I should redeem my yen. And to Ghana for Mamma Yamon Simon. Now, when I assume no your money. Do the Mujata. Compromise yan son in the home of and who never bring Abraham Yame, Adam Yame, Jacob Yame, Gideon Yame, Israel for Yame. Nyakupona also Sano, the God of today, tomorrow, and forever. San Yakupona be in the home commercial area. A Christian, I don't know what Bemabu. Muslim, I don't know what Bemabu. Traditionalist, I don't know what Bemabu. We are talking about the creator and not the creation. 2 Corinthians 7 verse 14. Obian the Bible near you come on. Obian the Bible near Shadia. 2 Corinthians 7 verse 14. If my people who are called by my name, some come from me and Radinia go for me, bo, Mamusunam from me. Now I would see him bomb dear. Some incredible promises if they will humble themselves. Some politicians will bring mercy. Say a soldier for the mercy. Say a police for the mercy. Say radio presenters for the mercy. Say Ghana for the mercy. When you pray and seek my name, say mukoto geni mama bomba here. Namu suffer me a radia. Namu boni amudi. And Jeremiah Mobo, and Mamope, and Samonum, Riamonum, Bemani Bemada, Obani Bema, Obani Obada, Samujaya. Me already met someone. Say, I had to come in with the mamma. Me already make you say a free home. I say, I will forgive thy sin and I will heal the land. 100.9 FM. You didn't hear the word I said. Be a Bible like in Kenya American. The Spirit is leading me to tell you something today. Ghana for money as to tell them 10 a year. 2 Corinthians 7 verse 14. If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn away from their evil and wicked ways, then I will open heavens and I will forgive their sin and I will heal the land. This is the creator of the universe talking. Oh no, man, come on, or see if Ghanaians will turn away from their wicked ways. Now, come to again, more bomb, and more swift and no radia. Or the Moboli Bachamo, no, the Moboli Chamu, we are. Assassin or dear my Ghana, I go cause I get Ghana to sell their chain. He will heal the land. It's not by might or by power. I think I want a phone. I think a sick bill. Yayan on him, sick and on him here. Yayan president. Yayan vice. Yayan MPP on him NDC. Yayan on him premier on him slacking on him slacking. Munamo come to Janamo bomb and Musu Ferrade. Yaka Amama Edikaya America give boom. But America could declare a day of prayer and fasting. With all their technology, with all their able doctors, with all their scientists, America went on their knees and prayed to God. And now my pedica say you're more pioneer for your foot to enable the diagro. Of course, social media never more can. And the only Ghana card I want to be when you're fasting Libby. And I want your Bema when you're fasting Libby. And $100 million no cycle be when you're fasting Libby. Ghana for Mama for assembly and diagro. WHO for Aka. Ministry of Health in Society to her. Monsa. Social distancing. Didn't I observe it here? But above all, we need to pray and cry out to the Lord. Jeremiah 33 verse 3. I say, call on me and I will answer. And I say, gather from Musum friend of Bechimuso. And I will show you great and mighty things which you didn't know. Call on my name. It's not me talking. And I didn't catch a gather for some Musum friend. Now Betimone. Now Betimonka. Musum friend of gather from. But you need to turn away from your wicked ways. Apo bono. Excavator some with the Agosi Roman Moon, Yanamu to Gonamu Sensuono. Sasubani Yakuposa Munjai. What can we turn out their book? A rubber bag, not to get him. Gather for the sound wicked ways with gather for Munjai. Yakupon Ekos Munjai. Namusu from me, I ride him with Yakupon. Namajamoso, and I will heal the land. If you believe the Bible as much as I do, this is the time we need to cry out to the Lord to heal the land. It started to 2, it went to 52, and 68 now. It keeps on increasing. Yan come from Obiahu. Yan Casobia Yamosino. And Yan a pet. But we need to cry out to the Lord. But before we do that, we need to turn away from our wicked ways. Maybe I'm for Biobia Honesa. Maybe I'm for Biobia sanitizing. Have you sanitized your mind? Have you sanitized your heart? Have you turned away from your wicked ways? What can they?